In today's video, I'm going to show you Tour&Tate review. Is it stylish or sketchy clothing brand? Tour&Tate presents itself as a stylish clothing brand offering premium quality without the premium markup, with promises of better fit, softer fabrics, and honest pricing. On their site, they advertise features like a 100-day perfect fit guarantee, worldwide shipping, and methods like Apple Pay, PayPal, etc. The branding is sleek, product photography is clean, and many products are shown in multiple colors with oversized fits or wool blend sweaters, which suggests they're aiming for mid-high fashion appeal. Despite the good branding, there are many customer reports that raise concern. On Trustpilot, about 76% of reviews are 1 star, with people complaining that orders take far longer than advertised, that products don't match photos, sizing is inconsistent, materials are not as described, for example, claiming wool blend, but delivering polyester, and that customer service is hard to reach or non-responsive. Many say they never receive tracking updates, or the package gets stuck, waiting to be picked up by courier. Reddit posts add more evidence that Tour&Tate's marketing doesn't match reality. One user reports buying a premium Bati t-shirt for about $60 expecting high quality, but receiving what appears to be generic cotton from China, with packaging showing Chinese factory markings. The same user claims no refund, and others online confirm similar experiences. There are a handful of positive reports. Some customers say they were pleasantly surprised that a piece arrived decently. The fabric felt good and the item matched expectations. Given all that, Tour&Tate looks like a company with real operations. They sell items, ship them sometimes, and have a website with reasonable design. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.